Hi, Liz friends. I'm here in Grants Pass with our photographer getting some shots of this pond. And I probably showed it to you before, but it's so epic, you need to see it again. It's that golden hour where the sun is going down and everything is amazing. Hot sunny day where you just get to come out and relax, sit by your water feature, screen out the neighbors and create some more privacy. And it also is really great for the wind. What do you think? Could you hang out here?